wonderful world. But scary things can happen, and where and when they do, Roy will be there for you. When we need him, he's always around to keep us smart, safe, and sound. When the flames and dangers are near, I know that there's no need to fear. Roy will appear. We are learning fire safety from a super awesome teacher. He's strong and he's courageous, and he'll teach us all to be safer. Together we are learning what to do if something's burning. We are learning fire safety. Roy wants us to be safe as we can be.
When lightning strikes.
That's a purple emperor, and that's a tiger swallowtail.
Wow, those are really cool.
It's not that cool. I think butterflies are boring.
I know. Beetles are way cooler than butterflies.
Oh, butterflies? Wow! Charles, are these your pictures?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. I've always said that butterflies are so awesome.
What? Didn't I? You said that butterflies were... Whoa! That blue one is great! What a pretty color!
And it looks even better in the wild.
Really?
Cindy, I could catch one.
Huh? You could? You're terrified of any bug. You catch a butterfly?
Yeah, so? I bet there's no way you could catch one.
What? I challenge you to catch a blue butterfly before me.
Deal. There's no way I'll lose.
You guys are so weird. You guys, problem! We're getting a huge thunder and lightning storm later today.
Are you sure, Jen? It looks sunny outside
Huh.
now.
Hallie, weather's unpredictable sometimes. We should start getting ready now so the town doesn't get damaged.
Yeah, and we should warn people too.
Great! I'll go check the outskirts of town.
Yeah, and I'll alert people downtown. Sounds good. Let's get to it.
You got it.
Catching a butterfly's a piece of cake.
Whatever. I'll definitely get one before you do. Huh?
Nice. Hey guys, a yellow sulfur.
Wow.
I'm sure the blue variety is around here.
Yeah.
What are they up to?
Maybe it's over here. Huh?
Just a little closer. Huh? Johnny, run for your life!
You're not quite the same.
Charles, run! My everything hurts, and I'm starving.
Hey, you know, we can always try again.
Huh? It started raining. Let's go hide under that tree.
Your lightning rod is good to go.
Thanks, Roy.
But when the lightning starts up, you should still take shelter indoors in a safe area. And don't stand under a tree.
Why? Is it dangerous?
Yes, trees have a high risk of getting struck, so it's best to keep away.
Now it's gonna make me real nervous. Oh, wait, Roy, I saw some kids go into the woods a while ago.
Oh no!
If this weather gets worse, will they be okay?
They're not safe!
It wasn't supposed to rain.
Huh? You guys, it's the blue butterfly.
Wow,
That's it. I'll get it first.
Guys, stop!
Huh?
Look out! Are you kids okay? Ugh. Come on, let's get you home, now! That was a close one. You could have been hurt.
Thanks, Roy. You're so awesome.
Listen, You have to remember a couple things when it comes to storms. Never play outside if you hear thunder or see lightning. And if you're outside, find shelter in a building or inside a car. Buildings and cars provide much-needed protection from lightning's dangerous electricity. Lightning strikes in higher places too, so be sure to stay away from mountains or other high places during storms. If you stand near a tree, you can get hurt because trees are more likely to be struck by lightning. If there are no buildings or cars nearby, go to an open area and lay flat and small on the ground. Finally, don't hold any metal objects like umbrellas or butterfly nets. These conduct electricity and you could get hit.
We were under a tree, though. And not just that, we were holding these nets, too.
That was really dangerous.
Good. Lesson learned. Huh? But why are you sad?
We tried to catch the blue butterfly. Huh? Wow! Blue butterflies! Guys, they're everywhere!